Do you have a bird feeder near you, in your yard or apartment? Fun way to see some of the birds that are around during the winter. I keep this feeder going all year long. This is a quiz. You didn't know you were going to be quizzed, did you? I'll show you some of the birds here that frequent my feeder and tell you a little bit about them later. We have here a song sparrow. You can recognize it by that irregular spot on its breast. They're resident here summer and winter, although some of them probably move further south. Beautiful song. The song sparrow. Notice how he kicks with his feet to dislodge the surface, looking for things to eat. Oh, downy woodpecker. This particular bird is a tree sparrow. We don't see them here during the summer. They go much further north to breed and then come down here in the wintertime.